Today, we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 16,000 pound roll-off system. This is one of the most versatile trailer systems on the market because you can use it as a roll-off, dump, or equipment trailer. This highly flexible system allows you to have multiple skids and dumpsters that can be delivered to different job sites with the same trailer. This particular model comes in 12 and 14-foot lengths. It is available with either a bumper pull or a gooseneck hitch. Let's start in the front and work our way to the back. On the bumper pull version, we have a forged 4-position adjustable coupler. Behind the coupler is a heavy 8-inch channel tongue that is integrated into the frame of the trailer. This is done to maintain the highest level of frame strength and support possible. On the front of the gooseneck version, you have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler. Behind the coupler, this model also has an 8-inch channel tongue. Every Texas Pride trailer features all DOT required safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. At the back of the tongue, we have a standard 12,000 pound drop leg jack with spring return. Many other trailers have a much lighter jack on them, but we feature one of the heaviest jacks you can find on a trailer this size. The bumper pull version comes with a single jack, and the gooseneck version comes with dual jacks. Both of these models come with a standard 7-way electrical plug, with all the wiring on the trailer being modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Behind the jacks, we have the heart of the system, which is a commercial-grade 15,000 pound worn winch that's used to pull dumpsters up onto the trailer. An optional snatch block is also available, which doubles the winch pulling power. The standard system is battery-powered with heavy 1/0 cables running to the front plug of the trailer. A matching plug is provided with the trailer, and you will have to have your truck wired in direct to the alternator so that the batteries charge back up in between loads. There is an option for an available self-contained gasoline-powered system as well. There is also an option for a fully automated electrical tarping system to cover your loads. You simply push a button to extend or retract the heavy-duty commercial-grade tarp. It features an adjustable tarp height for shorter or taller dumpsters. You simply pull the locking pins and wind the handle up or down to vary your tarp position. Now, the main frame of the trailer is a heavy 6-inch channel tubing, and the tilt frame is made from a heavy 4-inch tubing. The tilt frame has embedded rollers with grease fittings, which reduces drag when pulling the dumpsters up. This in turn means longer battery life and more loads per day. On either side of the trailer, we have heavy gauge diamond plate steel toolboxes. The toolbox on the passenger side of the trailer is for general storage. The box on the driver's side houses the dual high-capacity marine-grade batteries and electric over hydraulic pump. Now, one main feature of our pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses batteries instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your tilt bed can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. The pump is controlled by a 15-foot quarter remote. We also have onboard 8-amp battery tester and charger inside that allows you to push a button to see the status of the batteries. If it's low, you simply lift the weatherproof cover on the side of the box and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord, and the next morning, the batteries will be fully charged. Once the batteries are full, the charger will shut itself off and not overcharge your batteries. Note that we use an 8-amp charger for much faster charge times than the standard 3.5-amp charger used on most other trailers. Now, another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy-duty reinforced fenders. Heavy enough so that you can stand on. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 8,000 pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get into a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. This trailer rolls on 4 16-inch premium radial 14-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There's also an option for a spare tire and wheel that mounts on the front of the trailer. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the center cap on the hub and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. The dumpsters come in 12-foot and 14-foot lengths. The 12-foot long dumpsters fit 12-foot trailers, but the 14-foot trailer can fit both the 12-foot and 14-foot long dumpsters. All the dumpsters come in 4-foot, 5-foot, and 6-foot high sidewalls. This gives you capacities from 11 yards all the way up to 21 yards. The dumpsters are also tapered for easy stacking to ship more than one dumpster at a time. We also offer a 6-foot by 16.5-foot flatbed attachment for hauling equipment or other material. The ability to drop and go means less downtime for your equipment and operators, saving you time and money. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with the full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 16,000 pound roll-off system.